up guys, Anubhav here, and let's jump right into it. You guys know how it is. It's about AR setups. This is episode 17. We're doing it after a long time, so hopefully you guys enjoy this one. Let's get started right away. Now in today's setup, we're going for a more white and brown aesthetic, as you can see right from the lock screen wallpaper. These wallpapers are from an application called Wardrobe, which is basically an Unsplash client. You can either go to unsplash.com or download this app on your Android device, and you'll find the exact wallpapers that I've been using for my lock screen as well as my home screen. The one on the home screen is a little more textured because I want to, garner your attention to the icon pack as well as the widget and not have the wallpaper take up a lot of the attention that way. We're dealing with two simple home screens with a white icon pack and widgets on both of them. Very effective, very, productive, at least for my use case and my scenarios. Let's talk about the icon pack first. This is the Wycon's icon pack. It's a really cool white icon pack that I think you guys will enjoy if you are a fan of minimal and clean icons. These icons are really nice. There are more than 7,500 icons in the entire pack. Also comes with its own set of wallpapers that you may use, but I just feel like it goes so much better with the one wallpaper that I have set, which is this one. All the icons have a white silhouette to them, and of course they have a lot of icons, which means most of your icons, will have support in this icon pack. And even if they don't, they do a pretty good job of making sort of a dynamic, theming the icons that are not supported to make them look good together. Once that is done, you've got the wallpaper ready, you've got the icon pack ready. Let's talk about launcher and launcher settings. Now, I'm obviously using Nova Launcher. I have been for quite some time. If you're long-time viewers of the channel, you already know that. For those of you that don't, Nova Launcher is my launcher of choice. And if you want my exact Nova settings, I'll be leaving a backup file to my Nova, launcher settings. And all you have to do is download it from the link in the description, head to your Nova settings, then to backup and restore, hit on restore backup and select the file. And what that will basically do is give you guys the exact same settings that I have set, whether it's my desktop grid, whether it's my app drawer settings, my dock settings, etc. And you'll have your home screen, your Nova settings look exactly like this. So whatever you do will look closer to the setup that I have, if that's what you're looking for. Talking about the widget, this is obviously a 4x2 KWGT widget. You will need that to get this exact clock widget, and the widget that I am using is from a pack called Minimal for KWGT. I've mentioned this pack before. It's got a lot of really nice and clean widgets, and the one that I'm using is 49 from Minimal for KWGT. So it's this one right here. As you can see, it says the day, then it's got the time and the month. Looks super clean, super minimal, and I really like the way it looks. Now that finishes up the first home screen. If you swipe to the right, you reach to the second home screen with a different set of icons, and these are basically my most used applications. And on the second home screen, we only have two widgets which are from the same application, which is Todoist. Todoist is a Android productivity application that I use on my phone to basically, keep me updated with all the tasks that I keep doing and all the tasks that I have. So as you can see, I've been using it for a couple of months now. Already have 351 completed tasks, and the two widgets are the tasks widget, where I can easily add or remove tasks on the go as soon as I unlock my home screen or as they come to me. And the one on the bottom is more of a progress widget, which shows me if I'm on track to finish my daily tasks, my weekly tasks, and my karma, which is basically a very nice, achievement sort of a section where you finish a task, you gain karma, and your level increases. It's a great way to keep yourself motivated to, increase your karma by completing as many tasks as you can. Currently at expert, but let's see how long it takes me to hit the enlightened level, which requires 50,000 plus points. With that said, that's my pretty simple two-screen home screen setup. And a lot of you guys had been asking for this, so I really hope that this video stops those questions and that you enjoyed it. If you liked it, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys next time, and there's not much to say. Bye-bye. Take care.